Hello doston kaise hi aaj maine aapko ghar baithe paisa kamane online money earning karn kuliya bataya video lage to like karna subscribe karna or doston ko sath share karna to chali suru kardi hi aaj kai video. Hain kuch apps jins aap Bitcoin earn kar sakte hain. Coinbase, Bitcoin Khareed nor Bekni ka popular platform hi. Referral program SEB Bitcoin earn Kia ja sakte hi. Binance, trading kuliya ek or popular platform hi, jahan se aap Bitcoin earn kar sakte hain. BlockFi, app Bitcoin ko savings account main rockdi hu interest earn karn ka option dita hi. Fold app se shopping cardi whacked Bitcoin rewards milt hain. Cointeply, is app main surveys complete karke, games kale kar, or videos deck kar Bitcoin earn Kia ja sakte hi. Bitwala app se Bitcoin debit card order karke Bitcoin earn Kia ja sakte hi. StormX, is app main shopping cardi whacked rewards ko roop main Bitcoin milta hi. Lolly, online shopping cardi whacked cashback ko roop main Bitcoin milta hi. Pi Network, is app main mining ko through Bitcoin earn Kia ja sakte hi. Free Bitcoin, is app main free spins or games kale kar Bitcoin earn Kia ja sakte hi. Hain kuch earn money apps jo opki liya beneficial ho sakte hain. Swagbucks, is app main surveys complete karke, videos deck kar, or online shopping cardi whacked rewards earn kai ja sakte hain. Fope, is app main appni photos sell karke money earn Kia ja sakte hi. TaskRabbit, is app main local tasks or services provide karke money earn Kia ja sakte hi. Gigwalk app se local gigs or tasks complete karke money earn Kia ja sakte hi. Uber or Lyft, ride-sharing apps se driving karke money earn Kia ja sakte hi. Airbnb, is app se appni extra space ya property ko rent karke money earn Kia ja sakte hi. Upwork, freelancing platform hi jahan se aap appni skills ko through projects complete karke money earn kar sakte hain. Fiverr main be freelancing services provide karke money earn Kia ja sakte hi. TaskRabbit, is app main surveys complete karke, apps download karke, or tasks complete karke money earn Kia ja sakte hi. Razdan, is app main news read karke, games kale kar, or videos deck kar money earn Kia ja sakte hi. Video ak alaga hi to like karna subscribe karna or doston ko sath share karna for milt hi agal video mi app ka din sub ho take sir app na kyle rakna.